Western Warren County in northwestern New Jersey. Northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey. Western Hutchinson County in northwestern New Jersey. County in eastern Pennsylvania. Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania. Northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania. Until 2:45 p.m. At 1:39 p.m., showers with damaging winds were located along a line extending from 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Westchester, Gloucester City, Bethlehem, Norristown, Chester, Deptford, Pottstown, West Deptford, Phoenixville, Medfield, This severe shower may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating. And the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Montgomery, Northampton, and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware.